There is Uber. That is a nice move right there. Um,
Well, you're right about the midpoint test. I mean, this was a handle. I mean, it's really kind of a hard chart to interpret. You look at the weekly chart; it's a very sharp pullback. Has been definitely in rally mode. I'm sure some people might be nibbling at it today with the bullish gap up. Mike, I know you have a take on this one.
The chart has this overhead resistance, which is a problem that we tend to shy away, which is, after it came public and you had that area in the, basically the 42 to 47 range where a lot of people are underwater on those shares. So as they get back to even, those people are going to want to sell some, and as they get closer to even. So that is always a concern, but it's clearly been under accumulation. You can see that little cup at the bottom there, and these appear to be great numbers. And we were talking before the show that the younger generation, some of them are just don't want to buy cars, and I totally get that, which is great for both Lyft and Uber, and the earnings aren't in sight anytime soon. What year did they say that they're going to
End of this year, and I'm not sure if
really?
that's EBIT,
EBITDA
EBITDA.
profitability. So it's going to be
Okay.
some kind of super adjusted number.
Yeah,
And
but it's an improvement from a prior
Yeah.
outlook.
Yeah, I'd heard they moved it up a year.
Well, I actually have shares already. I have a pilot position in it, and the reason why I did it is because when I was looking a number of years ago back at Facebook, it's like, okay, here's this big company that got crushed, and then it built the bottom, and you can see on the weekly chart just these massive accumulations. Like, so I always regretted it. Like, why don't I just buy a little bit there just to keep it on the radar? And then when it gapped up, once they proved that they can make earnings as Facebook, then that's when it really took off. So for this one, I decided to try it a little bit. I'll watch it. I'm not necessarily in a rush to do anything though, to add more to the position or not. I'll probably wait for this to settle down and then maybe slowly continue to build a position.